Hello students, in this video we will learn MCQs of class SYBA and subject is S2 economics means macroeconomics. So let's start our MCQs. First MCQ is classicals treated money as a option A medium of exchange, option B store of value, option C both A and B options, and option D none of these. And its correct answer is option A. Classical economists given more importance in their theories for the function of medium of exchange of money. Then next MCQ. Cause of inflation in India is or are option A deficit financing, option B increasing public expenditure, option C inadequate rise in industrial production, option D all of the above. So why prices are rising in India is the question, and its correct answer is option D all of the above. Then next question. When price increases due to increase in factor prices, it is known as option A demand pull inflation, option B cost pull inflation, option C stagflation, option D none of the above. And its correct answer is option B cost pull inflation. Then next question. Inflation is the state in which option A the value of money decreases, option B the value of money increases, option C the value of money increases first and then decreases, option D the value of money decreases first and increases later. So to answer this question we have to know the relationship between value of money and inflation. So there is inverse relation between the level of price and value of money. So there is, when prices rising means inflation arises, the value of money decreases. So A is the correct answer, option A. Then next question. How inflation affects the price of the commodities? Option A price of the commodities decreases, option B price of the commodities increases, option C no effect, option D first the price decreases later on increases. So in the case of inflation, prices of commodity always rises, increases, so option B is the correct answer. Prices of the commodities are increases. Then next question. In equation in bracket mu is equal to pt of quantity theory of money, pt represents option A demand for money, option B supply of money, option C both A and B options, option D none of the above. So its correct answer is option A demand for money. So this quantity theory of money is this equation. There are two parts, MV and PT. So PT, P stands for price, T for number of transactions. The PT part of this equation shows demand for money, and MV part of this equation represent supply of money. The next question. What is stagflation? What is stagflation? Option A, a situation in which the economy experience a recession. Option B, a situation in which the economy have inflation and recession altogether. Option C, an economy where unemployment is high. And its correct answer is option D, both B and C option. Then next question. When inflation arises due to aggregate demand is more than aggregate supply, is known as option A, demand pull inflation, option B, cost pull inflation, option C, stagflation, option D, deflation, and its correct answer is option A, demand pull inflation. Demand pull inflation. Then next question. Inflation. Option. It's a question over impact of inflation, effect of inflation. Option A, makes distribution of income equal. Option B, makes distribution of income unequal. Option C, has no effect on distribution of income. And option D, affects only industrial sector. And its correct answer is option B, makes distribution of income unequal. Then next question. When prices are decreasing continuously, the phenomenon is called inflation. A option, inflation. Option B, stagflation. Option C, deflation. Option D, none of these. And its correct answer is option C, deflation. The next question. Which of the following is or are the goals of macroeconomic policies? Option A, to achieve higher level of GDP. Option B, to achieve higher level of employment. Option C, stability of prices. Option D, all of the above. And its correct answer is option D, all of the above. Then next question. What are the tools of macroeconomics? What are the tools of macroeconomics? Option A, monetary policy. Option B, fiscal policy. Option C, both A and B options. And option D, none of these. And its correct answer is option B, both A and B. Means monetary policy and fiscal policy are the tools of macroeconomics. Then next question. CRR stands for. CRR is the instrument of monetary policy which is regulated by RBI. So CRR long form or it stands for option A, credit reserve ratio. Option B, cash reopen ratio. C option, cash reserve rate. And option D, cash reserve ratio, and its correct answer is option D, cash reserve ratio. Then next question, question number 14. Choose selective or qualitative credit control. Or this question we can read as choose selective or qualitative tool of monetary policy. Option A, direct action. Option B, moral suasion. Option C, publicity. Option D, all of the above. And its correct answer is option D, all of the above. All these instruments are selective or qualitative of monetary policy. Then next question, choose instruments or tools of fiscal policy. Option A, taxation policy. Option B, budget. Option C, public expenditure. Option D, all of the above. And its correct answer is option D, all of the above. In the case of fiscal policy, we use all these instruments.